Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $500 over and over again using a very simple method, and you can earn it in PayPal cash, okay? So it's going to be very convenient, so let's get started right now. So this is the site I want to show you. It is called Shoutcart at shoutcart.com. And this is for people who have social media accounts who wants to sell their account for shoutouts. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own account without even doing your own post. And then I'm also going to show you another method where you can build your own post, or if you want to invest a little bit of money, you can also do this quicker. Okay. So I've been on a lot of social media, and a lot of people wonder how they can go and sell shoutouts for their accounts. And in this website right here, you can actually sell shoutouts on your account even though you have a very, very low following count, okay? And the best social media platform that I want to tell you about is going to be one that you can really build a following very quickly, very fast. Okay, so first of all, what is Shoutcart.com? Shoutcart.com is a place where brands and companies can come into and find influencers that they can advertise on. So there are a lot of shop owners and whatnot who have products to sell, and they don't have enough social media presence on their own. So they look towards people like the young crowd who have social media accounts and have a good big influence and big following. So if you have an account like that, you could charge anywhere from $10 all the way up to $500 a piece, and I'm going to show you how that is inside this Shoutcart. Okay, so if you are an influencer and want to make money on this, you're going to scroll all the way down here and you got to click on for influencers. Okay, earn from your influence. Become part of Shoutcart team and earn with us. Hundreds of campaigns. We work with leading advertisers, bringing you the best campaigns and quality shoutouts, low fees and no minimum. So their selling fee is only going to be 10%. So let's say you're going to charge a $10 for a shout out for your account, they're just going to take $1 for that. And you're going to get pre-qualified buyers. We deal with credit cards, PayPal, chargebacks, and banks, so you don't have to. We help you focus on what matters most, growing your business. Shoutout statistics. Buyers get stats on shoutouts you run, keeping them satisfied and coming back to order more. Easy cancellations. Shoutout doesn't match your policy, too spammy or out of context, not a problem. Simply click cancel button on your order list and move on with your day. Promote your account. No more S for S kick groups needed. Want to promote your account using Shoutcart? No problem. Simply use your earned balance to pay for orders and refill at any time. So you can actually grow your account on here as well. So as an influencer, this is what you can charge, okay? So you could use Instagram, Instagram stories, Instagram story plus a link, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, okay? So it has all the major platforms for social media, and look at the prices, okay? When you have a big following, like over 100,000, this person is charging $39, and on Instagram, this person is 16,000, is charging $10. But even small followers are charging $10 for on TikTok here. Here's a $500 charge for a YouTube channel with over 200,000 subscribers. So there is a variety of different accounts that you can kind of look into and kind of see what people are doing, okay? So you could kind of use your own judgment and earn this way. And you can earn over and over again because you will be able to sell your shoutouts all the time on this website. So how do you grow your account? Growing your account is going to be the major factor here, right? You need to have an active engagement account. You want to have as much following as you can, because that's the basis basically of people looking at your account, how many followers you have. So I'm going to show you two different accounts that I have on two different social media accounts, or maybe even three, because I have YouTube as well. Of course, you're on my YouTube channel. But I don't have a big YouTube channel like this person has. Let's see if there's another YouTube. My YouTube channel is about this much, so I could probably charge 15 for that. But the YouTube channel, you could actually earn a lot more when you have big following. Look, you could get into the hundreds here. 350 for this one. He's got 1 million subscribers. Oh my gosh. 4,600 bucks. Wow, so if you have a YouTube channel, you're gonna get a lot more money because a YouTube channel is just more has more engagement, and if you have a really active account, you know, you could drive a lot of traffic. So people can actually charge this much for their channel, and you see a lot of people are charging 3-digit fees here for their channels. So that's YouTube. So I want to show you my Instagram account and how you can build something like this very easily, okay? So this is my Mickey Life account. You can tell this is my account because I've put my link on there, Work Anywhere Now. That's my website, okay? What I've done with this account and how I've built this account is not posting one single picture that is mine on here, okay? So the method that I use is basically reposting. Did you know that on Instagram you could just repost and not have your own content? All you gotta do in the description is actually, see, all I do is picture credit and I put the IG account that it was from. That's it. And I just do my little caption. I mean, this part is my only original content on here, okay? And I was able to build it up to over 100,000 for this one account. But that's what you gotta do to be an influencer. You need to pick a niche, okay? So first thing, your page needs to be a certain niche so that when people advertise and get a shout out, they know what kind of audience that you have on your page, okay? So, and then like for my TikTok account, so I have a TikTok account as well, and I'm at 257,000 followers as of this recording. And so on TikTok, it is actually one of the easiest way for you guys to build a following because it was very hard to do it on Instagram. And a lot of people who has Instagram accounts who's gone to TikTok has way more followers than on Instagram. Now, TikTok will be a little bit harder because you have to do your own videos. You can't really take people's videos and repost. That's not how it works on TikTok. So you do, again, choose a niche though. So my profile here is about making money online mostly. Okay, once in a while I do talk about TikTok because people love those types of posts as well. And mostly, and then once in a while I do like a dance. I mean, that's the only one I did that. I did a dance. But most of it is about making money, okay? And I also talk about any current events that's going on because everyone's going crazy about the coronavirus. So TikTok is a little bit more flexible, but still you want to have a certain niche because when people advertise on your account, they want to know there's a certain type of audience that you have, okay? So that's how you can build up your accounts. And this has been, I mean, my account was started only end of November, guys, okay? It's not that long ago. So this is totally worth building if you're going to be brand new on TikTok. So you need to look for a niche. Make sure you post daily, okay? And you should always kind of look at the trends that they're using and the sounds that are trending. Really use those 3 elements and any stickers or anything like that or any effects. They like you to use different types of, they call them effects on there so that you can kind of do different things with your videos basically. And so if you don't want to build your own social media account, they do have a solution for you at the bottom here. You could actually go buy Instagram accounts. So those are the only accounts that you can buy though from this option. So this is called Fameswapcom, and this is where you could invest a little money and just quickly buy it, buy an Instagram account that has over 10,000 followers, let's say, and then start getting shoutouts on your account from the shoutcart.com site right away, so you don't have to wait, because it does take time to obviously build a social media account. But if for those who already have a social media account with a good following, you can use Shoutcart right away. But if you haven't and you want to start doing it, and you want to do it quicker, this is the solution. All right. So if you build your social following up and sell your shoutouts on this site, then you can make a pretty good amount of money every month. It just depends on how many campaigns you can get from this site. But the more engagement your account is, the more engaged it is, the more likely you're going to get repeated orders, because if you don't have an active engaging account, they have something in here that will show the buyers how engaged your account is. So if you don't have a high engagement on your account, then people aren't going to be spending the amount that you want for it. Okay, so you should test out the amounts. You should start low and then build yourself up and see how far you can go with this. Okay, so this is a great way for you to earn some extra money. This way, if you love social media, being on social media, it's a great way for you guys to earn. Okay, so I hope you really like this method. But if for those people who want to be more private, who don't want to be on social media but want to learn a different method to make big money online, check out the second link in my video description. I'll give you a different method that's going to make you big money, and that program is going to teach you everything you need to know about making big money online, guys. Okay, so I hope you check that out as well. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I hope I see you on the next one then. Okay, see you later. Bye.